Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're looking at the geometry kit that many call the best geometry set. The STAEDTLER 10-piece math set with metal compass, 6-inch ruler and triangle squares. 45-degree and 30-60-degree set squares, and an alphabet stencil. If you're a student tackling geometry, a budding artist working on precise sketches, or someone who needs reliable tools for technical drawing, this kit brings everything you need into one organized metal box. Inside the box you'll find a metal compass with a safety point, a 6-inch ruler, 2 set squares, one 30-60 and one 45. A 180-degree protractor, a pencil, a divider, an eraser, a sharpener, and an alphabet stencil lettering guide. The compass, made of metal, gives you control and stability when drawing circles of various sizes. That makes circle drawing more accurate and less wobbly than cheap plastic compasses. The ruler and set squares allow you to draft straight lines and measure or draw precise angles needed for geometrical constructions or technical drawings. The protractor expands your capabilities to measure or create angles beyond simple 30 or 45 degrees. The divider helps you transfer measurements or divide distances accurately. And because everything is housed in a compact metal tin, your tools stay neatly organized and protected. Perfect if you carry them in a backpack or bag. If you are studying geometry, doing technical drawing, or need a reliable toolkit for art or engineering sketches, this set stands out as a comprehensive, durable, and portable solution.